Hello and welcome to 1021 Aunt Prissy Court. Beautiful 4-bedroom home located in Florence, South Carolina. Located on the south side of Florence. It is a 1-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a 1-car garage. As you can see, we've got a nice covered front porch, 4 columns up front. Let's take a look around. You've got a lot of distance between the houses out here. So quite a nice amount of space. I'm going to be walking around the back of the house, taking a look. It is an open backyard. So quite a bit of space out here. It's really nice. You walk. There's actually a little some trees and some green space here between the other houses on the other side of that. So you do have some privacy there. And there's the back of the house. So let's take a look inside. Okay, welcome inside. When you first walk in, we have one of the bedrooms here. Off to the left, here's our front door and foyer. So we have 1 bedroom here on the front of the property. We've got nice blinds, a couple of windows there looking out. Not sure if you can tell on the video, but it's a kind of a nice, very light off-white color here on the walls. Nice beige color on the carpets. So we have 1 full bathroom here up front with a shower tub combo, single vanity, closet there for your linens. As we come down the hall, double doors onto our full-size washer and dryer connections. And we do have a shelf above. We do have a 1-car garage with opener, so that's nice to have. We have another bedroom here, right off of our hallway, a little smaller than the front bedroom there. Double doors into the closet. It's a newer home. You've got the smooth ceilings, no popcorn ceilings, so that's nice. We have another full bath here off the hall with a tub, shower, and single vanity. And on the back here is our living space. So we've got a living area here right next to the kitchen. So it's a nice open floor plan. We've got black appliances, fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher. I really like these cabinets, nice stained cabinets. I like the color of the countertops. That looks really nice. Just nice and newer look to it. And then there's our door that goes out back. So your living area is nice because you're on the back of the house and it faces the backyard. And then our final 2 bedrooms are right here off the living room and kitchen. So again, we've got a total of 4 bedrooms in this home. So you get a lot of bedrooms for the space here. And then our final bedroom on the back corner here. It's the back left corner. Really nice house. This would be a great, great house for someone. And let's just take a look at, just to get an idea of these closets. They're all pretty much the same as far as size. They're not walk-in, but they do extend beyond the doors. So you have some extra space to the left and right. And then our shelf above. So thanks for looking at this beautiful home located in Florence, South Carolina. This is Chris with Turner Properties, and you can see more information on this house on our website at turnerproperties.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.